Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a text box to your Microsoft Excel workbook. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the A and pencil icon at the top of the screen. Click on the home option in the middle. Tap on insert. Scroll down till you find the text box icon and tap on it. As you can see, a text box has been inserted to your workbook, so feel free to add your text to it. So type in anything that you want to. You can change the formatting information afterwards, such as making your text bold, italicize it, underline it, or strike through it. If you swipe to the right side, you can also change the font color, and basically that's it. You can change the color of the whole textbook, so fill it in, select its so arrange it. You can change the font as well and the font size, so feel free to position it within the workbook as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one.